Welcome to the first in a series of videos highlighting the amazing landscape and unique biodiversity of three of the most iconic habitats in Abbeyleix Bog. First up, woodland habitats. On arrival to the Abbeyleix Bog, you'll be immediately surrounded by trees and woodland. The trees that form the various woodland habitats and areas on the site add to the mosaic of habitats and are important places for wildlife, such as Pine Martens and a huge range of fungi. The main track is fringed by scrub woodland containing species of damp-loving trees, such as willows, birches and alder. There are also large areas of wet woodland, a rare habitat found in the wetter areas on the bog's edge. These areas are difficult to access, giving them an air of mystery. The Abbeyleix Bog area is a significant and large wildlife refuge, containing several semi-natural and modified habitats. The old Portlaoise-Kilkenny railway line enters Abbeyleix Bog near the northern tip and divides it into two main sections. The old embankment acts as both a corridor for shelter and a crossing through the bog. Fauna species recorded from the site include frog, various deer species, and Pine Marten. Visitors have also reported seeing some other amazing wildlife, including fox, badger, and otter. In the late summer months, look out for red squirrel collecting nuts from beech, oak, and hazel trees. In high summer, this track, also known as Ursula's Path, is alive with butterflies, thanks to the maintenance of small paddocks along its route. The most distinctive are large silver-washed fritillaries, whose caterpillars feed on violets. Their wings are so large compared to other butterfly species that they will glide from tree to tree along the path here. Another beautiful species is the common blue butterfly, which is not as common as its name suggests. It's very small and delicate, but its bright blue wings can be startling against the greenery. Another beautiful species, the green hairstreak. While relatively scarce, is found mainly along the grassy rail track pre and post the boardwalk entrance. The speckled wood, a brown butterfly with cream-coloured spots. Breeds on wild grasses in damp places and has 3 generations per year. In late spring and early summer, the most common butterfly along here is the orange tip. The male of the species has the distinctive bright orange wingtips, giving the species its name. Their caterpillar's favourite food is the delicate spring flowering lady's smock, also known as the cuckoo flower. This flower grows well in damp, grassy places, of which there are plenty here at Abbeyleix Bog. The streams that run along through some of the woodland's habitats feature various water plants. The most striking of which is the flag iris. You'll see this beautiful tall yellow flower in bloom each June. Also, in June and July, the grassland along the old railway track shows a limestone alkaline influence, with the beautifully named Quaking Mary grass, which shivers in the breeze. And the stunning spotted orchids. Many other wetland species grow here. Like the bog bean, sedges, the marsh marigold, and the fragrant water mint. From March onwards through to midsummer, this area is rich with birdsong. Thanks to both the willow warbler and the chiff-chaff. Each spring, these 2 closely related warbler species return from Africa, where they spend their winter. Were the 2 birds sitting in front of you right now, it'd be very difficult to tell them apart. But their songs are completely different. The chiff-chaff's is instantly recognizable. whereas the willow warbler is a beautiful, plaintive melody. That starts high and ends low, repeated several times. Another bird to watch out for here is the colourful member of the crow family, the jay. This bird is a prettier version of its cousin, the magpie. It has black and white wings with a bright blue upper section and a peachy pink breast. You'll most likely hear it before you see it. The jay has a distinctive hoarse, shrieking call, which is perfectly described by the bird's Irish name, an scrachog chola, the screecher of the woods.